Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have Dr. P. Srinivas, Principal of Yalamatri College of Pharmacy. Welcome sir to our platform.
Okay, thank you, madam.
So sir, today in this video we want to know what is your take on education and what are your thoughts on education. So it will be followed by a series of questions. And the first question for you is, sir, being the principal of Yalamatri Pharmacy College, what is philosophy of leadership and what do you describe your leadership style as?
Vision is my philosophy, and setting goals and reaching goals are my leadership qualities. Empower the students of our college.
So the second question is, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans of marketing and administration in your schools?
So it is by conducting national level programs at our college, like seminars, and conducting inter-college tournaments, quiz competitions, and publicizing about our college in TVs. So by this way we can market our college.
The next question for you is, sir, how does the curriculum of Yalamarti Pharmacy College ensures the best practice?
Actually, we conduct regular tests on every chapter, and we train the students to regularly attend the questions, and we give them some questions. We'll ask them to answer. This way, we can achieve the best results from university itself. This is what practice we are doing since many years.
Wow, sir, wonderful. So the next question for you is, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the college and the students are?
The role is to keep the students more disciplined and train the students and updating the students and conducting seminars and conducting guest lectures from the eminent teachers from different areas, and thereby we can empower the students. So this is one responsibility, and updating the infrastructure of the college, like updating what is this? Updating these digital classes and e-classes. So by all these routes, we can this way I can make the students best knowledge. This is what my responsibility, to make them as the best students.
Wow, sir, wonderful. So the next question for you is, due to pandemic, what are the changes you have seen in terms of students aspiring for pharmacy?
Actually, due to pandemic, some of the students were present to college, and some are even till now, some are being absent to college, taking the pandemic as an opportunity, and students also losing their knowledge, as per my observation. But those who are attending, they are aware about studies and they are gaining knowledge. So in this regard, what we have done, we have conducted both online and offline classes to empower the knowledge. But ultimately, students attending colleges have gained good knowledge than students attending through online.
That's true, sir. I completely agree that offline knowledge is more empowering than online knowledge. So the next question is, what would you like people to know about your institution that they may not be knowing?
About institution. Actually, our college, we have put these codings about our college infrastructure and faculty with eminent teachers, and the location of college is also in hilly area and greenery. This entire has been publicized with hoardings and results, placements, with all these. So we made people known about our college.
That's nice, sir. So, sir, what are the roles of online and digital medium in promotion of your college, sir?
Online, we digital media in the sense we are publicizing our college through channels, TV channels every year about facilities, the results and placements. So this is how we are publicizing our college through digital media.
Nice, sir. Sir, and I also hope that College Dunya will also create a platform where students can come and understand about Yalamarty Pharmacy College. And
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sir, so the next question for you is, what do you see as Yalamarty Pharmacy College's greatest strength?
Strength is students of our college have attended national level examinations and they secured best results like GPAT, NIPER, and university level examination also. The students appeared, stood in top 10 ranks. So these are the our strengths of our college. Ultimately, results of our college are our strengths.
That's wonderful, sir, and congratulations for that. So,
thank you.
Sir, the next question for you is, how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship? Sorry, I'll ask this question again. So the next question for you is, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
So location is very good. The surroundings are plantation areas, and this. Our college has been provided with well sewage system and fire safety, and the water facilities are also good, and we have provided reverse osmosis water plant. So with these all facilities, we have provided good relation with environment at our college.
That's interesting, sir. Sir, so the next question for you is, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the students who are aspiring for pharmacy?
Students need to be hardworking and well disciplined. That is very important criteria. You might have seen present days students, due to this electronic media, or we say mobiles especially, they are using for chatting, playing games, and not for studies. Present days, what I observed. So ultimately, the hard work and disciplines, following disciplinary rules of college, they'll be empowered with good knowledge. This is my suggestion to youth.
Wonderful, sir. That's very meaningful. Next
Thank you.
question
Thank you.
is, what are some plans that you are currently or will be designing for Yalamati Pharmacy College?
Plans. So, again, we conduct every year. We conduct seminars at our college, national level seminars at our college, and we do conduct competitions of district competitions and games, sports. With all these conducts, we can furtherly make the college to grow. This is my plan.
That's a great plan, sir. And that's it from my side. And we are very immensely thankful to you for taking out the time and joining us in this platform for imparting the knowledge on education. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.